Let me tell you what each of these KitchenAid accessories is used for, starting with the flat beater. The flat beater is what I like to call the wooden spoon of the stand mixer. It's used for mixing and incorporating ingredients together, not to be confused with the wire whisk. The wire whisk is for adding air into ingredients when whipping your creams and also meringues. The flat beater is ideal for cakes and cookies, but don't forget about all those savoury dishes as well, mixing up a batch of meatballs or hamburger patties. Now the flex edge beater. This is the wooden spoon combined with a spatula for the mixer. The silicone strip will assist in scraping the bowl, so you don't have to stop and scrape the bowl as often. The flex edge beater is great for recipes with butter and sugar as the main ingredient. It really is a baker's must-have in the kitchen. Back to the wire whisk. As I mentioned, this is for adding aeration for fluffy meringues, creams, and those beautiful light sponge cakes. One thing to remember is do not put the wire whisk into the dishwasher. This part is made of an alloy and will tarnish if it's put in the dishwasher. It will not affect the use of the wire whisk. It will just leave a black sticky residue which will get on your hands when you touch it. So hand wash only. The dough hook. This is for bread doughs, pizza doughs, and pasta doughs. The dough hook replicates the kneading action. We have a rule here at KitchenAid: only use speed 2 on the mixer when using the dough hook. Now, lastly, the pastry beater. This is for cutting butter through flour for sweet crust and short crust pastries, which is typically a job done by hand or in a food processor. This accessory can also shred meats, mash potato, and even whip up a chunky guacamole. So all of these accessories, except for the flex edge beater, are also available in stainless steel. So even a wire whisk, so the stainless steel wire whisk is able to be put in the dishwasher. So that's a rundown on the KitchenAid accessories.